Howdy, y'all. Welcome back, Captain Coot of RC, and welcome back to another Build and Babble. Today, we're going to be building and babbling on the mt8 again. As you saw in the last Sunrise Sunday video, I broke the steering rack. But no worries, because Red Cat has a nice aluminum one. There's the part number if anybody's interested. This is a direct replacement. There's no modifications needed. It will bolt right up. It will clear. It's just fine. So let's go ahead and get started and get this installed, y'all. As I was saying, for the most part, this is a really simple install. It's a direct replacement. Bolts right up. So once you get it turned, turn it all the way to one direction, exposing the steering rack, okay? And you'll have two bolts, one here, one there. You're gonna want to undo those. Oh, that one has a nut. I apologize. I was not aware. Okay. So get that one removed. Come on. Alright, get that moved off to the side. Wrong way. Get a set of needle nose pliers so you can grab yourself that little nut right there. Then you're gonna do it. That screw doesn't want to come out. Alright. So now that you got that side out, slide it up over to the other side. And since I already broke mine, part of it's already disconnected. Grab my pliers. And it should slide right on out. There it is. Alright, so we got the new one out. Look how nice and shiny that is, y'all. So we'll get that wiggled up in there. Oh, shit. I put this in backwards, y'all. Okay. So it needs to go in like this. All right. There it is. Now when you put your steering links back in, those ones you need to Loctite. Get yourself a dab of Loctite on those. It feels like it's trying to cross thread on me. There it goes. Now that you got that side on, slide it over, grab your next screw, bolt, whatever you want to call it. Have yourself some Loctite on that, bam, bam, jamma. You guys even see what I'm doing? Probably not. Now y'all should be able to see. Lined up. Ah! It fell out, y'all. There we go. There we go, y'all. That's how we install the Red Cat Kaiju EXT mount. And I do gotta tighten up my servo saver because that thing is loose again. Yeah, okay, so if anybody wants to know how to tighten up the servo saver on this, it's kind of simple. Just kind of hold it. And I use my thumb, push my thumb real hard against it, and roll it. So, there you guys have it. That's how you place the steering rack. Pretty simple. Don't forget your Loctite. You're going to need that. Because, remember, this piece right here that used to thread into plastic, this now threads into aluminum. So you must Loctite that. Make sure to Loctite that. Now. For those of you who stuck around this long, here's a preview on what's to come on the next Build and Babble. I'm starting to notice this tower to center differential to tower brace might be an issue. I'm noticing a lot of chassis flex, noticing a lot of body shock tower flex. I mean, they're plastic, yeah, they should flex a little bit, but these aren't holding up the way I think they should. So what I'm going to do is I purchased a carbon fiber tube. See that? So I am going to attempt to custom make a tower-to-tower brace. I'm going to eliminate these two braces, and I'm going to go straight tower-to-tower. Now, being this is carbon fiber, it's real strong, real strong. It's not flexible. It should work out pretty nice. I mean, because this cover right here, it's just, I don't think it does much. I really don't think this does much because it hits this plastic cover right here. And this plastic cover is, well, it's plastic. It's flexible. I don't think it's working that well. And I'm not convinced on this style. I'm going to go switch it to like the way the Armas are. I know how the Arma chassis braces work, and I know they work fantastic. So I'm going to do my own. I'm going to remove the links. I'm going to film it. I'm going to glue in my own inserts, show you how to glue in inserts. and we'll install it. It should mount up right to the stock mounts. Should be really cool. So look forward to that. Build and Babble next Friday. So that does it for today's episode. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Build and Babble with me. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you guys enjoyed the content, you guys want to see more, I'd really appreciate it if you guys share it to your friends, like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Real appreciate it. You guys have a great weekend. See y'all Sunday for another Sunrise Sunday. Take care. Have fun, y'all. Captain Good over and out.